Hello. If you're watching this video, you're probably looking for a way to restore your Syryn MP3 player to its original factory setting. Let's get started. To begin, we'll go ahead and plug our Syryn into our computer. If we double-click on the Syryn folder after it appears on the desktop, you'll see all of the audio files currently on the device. These files will soon be gone though, because performing a factory restore will delete all of the files on the Syryn. If you don't want to wipe your Syryn clean of all audio files, do not complete the restore process. If you do want to continue resetting your Syryn, click on Go up at the top of your desktop's menu bar. Then, in the drop-down menu that appears, click Utilities. From there, locate and double-click Disk Utility. This will bring up a new window where you can view your hard drive information. To the left, you will notice our Syryn folder, so let's click on that to view the device details. You can see that our Syryn is called No Name here, and just above that is the Erase button. We'll need to click on that to finalize resetting the Syryn. After clicking the Erase button, we'll be given the option to rename the Syryn. Next, we need to select the format for our Syryn to be restored to. To do that, we're going to click MS-DOS FAT on the drop-down menu. Finally, now that we've renamed the Syryn and selected the correct format, all that's left to do is click Erase. It will take a few seconds to restore the Syryn, and you'll know that the process is complete when you see the green check mark in the progress window. Click the eject arrow, unplug your Syryn, and you now have a completely restored device.